Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator in a Hyundai Elantra. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. This crucial step prevents electrical shorts and potential injury. Next, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. You will need a basic set of hand tools, including various wrenches, a ratchet, and a specialized serpentine belt tool. Having these ready will make the process much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's get to disconnecting the old alternator. Begin by using your serpentine belt tool to release tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. Next, you'll need to disconnect the electrical connections, usually one main power wire and one or two smaller sensor wires. After these are detached, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine bracket. With the bolts out, gently work the old unit free. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new alternator into its mounting bracket, aligning the bolt holes. Insert and hand tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, then use your wrench to secure them firmly. Next, reconnect all the electrical wires, ensuring the main power cable is securely fastened. Finally, route the serpentine belt correctly around all pulleys and use your tensioner tool to put it back on the alternator pulley. Before you finish, perform a thorough final check. Ensure all electrical connections are tight and secure and that the mounting bolts are properly torqued. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's snug. Now, start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery warning light should turn off. For complete peace of mind, use a multimeter to verify the charging voltage, which should read approximately 14 volts at the battery terminals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.